So we got a problem here with this sink because of the way it is attached to the wall, which is basically just this angle here. Over time it got bent over, so without this piece of wood it will just bend down. For that I need to take that off. And now you can see. Now what we're going to do, put this screw with a washer, which is, you know, rust resistant, in here. 1 and 2, and that way it will be screwed back on here and doesn't need the wooden support, and that will fix it all up. So as you can see here, a nice screw in here, a nice screw in there. Of course we can do a bit of sealant here as well, but this is really tight. No wood here anymore. All very good.